morning. We are going to do some canning this morning, and I'm going to be putting them in quart jars to start out with. Don't know how this is going to work. I'm not left-handed, but we have carrots, and we got green beans, and we got peas, and we got, what's this? Oh, a little piece of fuzzy. We've got pepper, and green pepper, and red pepper, all in here this morning. And I'm gonna mix it up really good. Like I said, doing it left-handed. So hopefully I can get it canned up. And then, what I'm going to use is I'm going to try something different. I've never done this. I've read up on it. Is I am going to take some crushed tomatoes of your choice. And what I'm going to do is dump it right in. Just like that. And then, if I don't have enough liquids in the jars, I will add a little water. And you know me, as I always say, Maniac Grammie, you never know with me what I'm going to be doing on my videos. I don't know if I'm going to add some seasonings in here. Just going to have to see how it's going to go. So, I will bring you back when I get the jars out of the dishwasher. And we start filling them up, see how they're going to go. And that way I can think about it. Give me a few more minutes to think. And I just want to chat a little bit and see, is anybody canning right now? And if you are canning, what are you canning? Our tomatoes, we're only getting a couple at a time right now. Same with the peppers, they're coming in, but they're coming slow. My green beans, I've got one more picking. My peas should be picked now. I'm on my last picking of peas. I don't even know, I've picked so many peas, I might end up giving them to my friends' steers for cattle feed. What's left. I'm sure they will thoroughly enjoy it. But if you have a garden, how's it growing? And if you're canning, what are you canning? And if you don't can, do you like to can? Would you like to see me do some more canning videos? I mean, I don't want to bore people. I'm kind of limited right now on what I can do with my hand and what I can't do. So let me know. And I'll get back to you as soon as I get the jars out. Okay, we're getting ready to can up everything now. I've got the crushed tomatoes in. It's taken a little bit to stir it with only one arm. Hopefully I can do this, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do when you don't have help. So I've got peppers, peas, green beans, and carrots. And we're gonna put it right in. I'm using my Grammie's funnel here. Might have to use my other one, but we'll start out. I don't have a whole lot of peppers in here. I just looked and it said, whoops, we got a string from Green Bean here. It just said that it's about 40 minutes to process. So that's what we will do at 10 pounds. And we'll can these for 40 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. And this will be a good soup starter. Casseroles. It's just endless what you can do with this. Absolutely endless. Put a little bit more in here. I ought to be pretty good with my left hand by the time I'm done. Might be a little bit, I would say a little bit too more than I wanted, but I think we'll be all right. I want to leave a 1/2 inch headspace, which is about right there, right here, 1/2 inch. See if the other funnel might work a little better for me. I like to keep my Grammie in my thoughts when I can and everything. My dad called this morning and he said, Brenda, what are you doing? And I said, canning. He said, Brenda, you've got enough going on. You don't need to be canning. I said, no, I got a can. I think this one's working better for me, sliding through quicker. And he said, just go down to any store you want, Dollar General, big box stores, wherever, and just buy yourself some cans. Or go to the store and buy some frozen ones. I said, no, Dad, you know how I am. No, I'm not doing that. So he laughed at me and he said, okay, create work for yourself. And that was the end of our conversation this morning. He said, I see you're busy. I said, yeah, I am. Whoa. Once I take my Chinese stick and go down through, I think it will be fine. And we'll do that, and I'll just do a couple more. I'll just chat with you for a few minutes. I've got the pressure cooker kind of warming a little. Just kind of gets process going a little bit quicker for you. I hope everybody's having a good day. Here in Maine, another hot, humid day. They're saying that Maine's been the hottest on record ever for humidity and heat for this time of year. It's been day after day after day. It's been hot and humid. Terrible, just terrible. Yeah. Some more here. And a little bit more. Don't want to push it to the limit. I was resting yesterday, so I needed to give my, a little bit more. I needed to give my shoulder a little bit of a rest, so I'm a little late getting this video out. Tomorrow I start my physical therapy, so I'm kind of excited about that. Yeah. We can use this to put it down with. Hey, this is gonna work great. I wasn't gonna use this, but we'll debubble the jar this way, which will work perfect. Perfect. I like it when a plan comes together. Doesn't always. And we'll do one more jar, and I'll put a little bit more in this jar right here. Put a little bit more in. I'm hoping to get 6 jars, I'm not sure, but whatever we get is a blessing. So we'll go from there. I don't think I'm gonna get 6. I don't believe. I do got a few more vegetables I could dig out of the refrigerator if need be. But I may just put it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in the freezer and use it later, maybe this week or something, which would work for me. I think that's what I'm gonna, either that or I could always throw in a small can, a small jar too. Let me see here. Oh, there's my debubbler here. I just thought I'd chat a little as we went. So, I'll bring you back. Okay, sometimes I like to take a chopstick and I can just go down. I've already debubbled them, but I use one of these because these go down pretty good. I actually like this. But I'm getting ready to put the lids on now. And then it's going to go in my pressure canner. I've already wiped them once, but I want to make sure. Just gonna go and you're gonna wipe them. You don't want to have anything on it or they will not seal. Now some people put vinegar on this. I don't. I just use nice hot water. Because again, you don't want to have anything on them, because if you do, they will not seal. And you want a good seal. You don't want to be getting sick. So, I've got my wand here. I'm going to pick up a jar lid. And I'm going to stick it like that. Pick up another one like this. Another one like this. Whoops, just like that. Well, I was trying not to use my bad hand, but I guess I got it when I got it, right? You gotta do what you gotta do. And then all you're gonna do is gonna put them finger tight. I don't crank them on. Just put the lid on like this. That's it. Put the lid on. There you have it right there. Doesn't that look beautiful? And you just go through and do that through the whole thing. Then I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put this in my pressure canner. I'm gonna put it for 40 minutes at 10 pounds. Oh, so hard being one-handed. We're gonna have to start calling me the one-handed bandit here, the one arm and one hand bandit. I think somebody called me that already. I thought, huh, that fits it real well. There you go. Right there. Now how beautiful is that? So I'll bring you back after I take them out of the pressure canner. I'll show you how the pressure canner is going once we get going. Okay, here we go. We've got 5 in and a pint. Here it is right there. Oh, 4 quarts in a pint. Okay, we got a vent right here and steam is coming out. See it? Right there. Well, it's been steaming for 10 minutes, and here's your gauge. We want 10 pounds of pressure. Hold on here. Just trying to find my weight here. I'm going to put this weight on, carefully don't burn yourself. And now that will build pressure right there up to 10. And then I'll bring you back when I take them out. Okay, my soup starter is done, or casserole starter, or whatever. It'll all come out great. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe. Keep the faith and hope. Bye now.